Hello everyone, my name is Faiza Ananda Aurora, and today I will present about pragmatics and semantic analysis in song and films. In this presentation, I will discuss introduction, concept usage, inference, politeness, synonymy, and antonymy and polysemy. The first one is introduction. Language helps people communicate ideas, truth, and feelings. However, meaning is not always understood from words alone. Sometimes we need context to understand the real meaning. Semantic studies the literal meaning of word and sentence, and pragmatic studies meaning based on context and situation. In this project, I analyzed 20 utterances from song, movies, and cartoon. The purpose of this project is to show how semantic and pragmatics work together in communication. Concept usage. This project uses several concepts from semantic and pragmatics. From semantic, inference and politeness, and from semantics, synonymy, antonymy, and polysemy. The data were taken from different sources such as Little Woman, Frozen, That Should Be Me, Residual, Upin and Ipin. These sources provide many examples of language used in daily communication. The first concept is inference. Inference means understanding a meaning that is not directly stated. The listener or audience must use context to understand the speaker's real message. For example, women, they have minds and they have souls. This sentence shows that women deserve respect and equality. Another example is That Should Be Me Holding Your Hand. The singer does not only talk about holding hands, the audience can infer that he feels sad, jealous, and heartbroken. The main idea is that people often understand additional meanings through context. The next concept is politeness. Politeness means using language to show respect and maintain good relationship. People often use polite expressions to avoid sounding rude. For example, would you mind if I joined you? The sentence sounds more polite than a direct request. Another example is terima kasih Tok Dalang. This expression show gratitude and respect. Polite language help communicate become smoother and more comfortable. The main idea is that polite expression reduce pressure on the listener. Synonymy. Synonymy refers to words that have similar meaning. Example include pandai and pintar, bagus and baik, clever and smart, and stay and remain. Although the words are different, their meaning are very similar. Synonym help speaker express the same idea in different ways. The main idea is that different words can express similar meaning. Polysemy. Polysemy happens when one word has several related meanings. For example, the word hurt can mean the organ inside the body, feelings or emotion, emotional expression. Another example is the word go. It can describe physical movement, but it can also express emotional release. The important point is that these meanings are related to each other. They are not completely different meaning. Now let's at the relationship between semantic and pragmatics. Semantics explain the literal meaning of word. Pragmatics explain the meaning based on context. Both are important for understanding communication. For example, that should be me holding your hand. The semantic meaning is someone wants to be in another person position. The pragmatic meaning is the singer feels jealous, disappointed, and heartbroken. These examples show that and context work together to create meaning. To conclude this project, analyze 20 trends from song, movies, and cartoon. The pragmatics concept were inference and politeness, and the semantic concept were synonymy, antonymy, and polysemy. The findings show that meaning comes from both word and context. Semantic and pragmatics work together to help people understand communication more effectively. Thank you for listening. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.